Hey everyone! Today, we'll explore what is machine learning. Imagine you have a little robot friend, let's call him Boti. You want Boti to recognize cats in pictures. How do you teach him? Do you write a rule that says, a cat has pointy ears and whiskers? What about a fluffy dog with pointy ears? But wait! That rule doesn't always work. This is where machine learning comes in. Instead of giving Boti strict rules, we give him lots of examples and let him figure it out himself. That's the big difference between traditional programming and machine learning. In traditional programming, we give rules and expect answers. But in machine learning, we give examples and let the machine find the rules. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's break them down one by one and see how machines learn, just like we do. First, supervised learning. Imagine you're teaching Boti to sort laundry. You show him a pile of clothes and say, this is a sock, this is a shirt, and this is a towel. After seeing enough examples, Boti starts sorting the laundry on his own. That's supervised learning. Machines learn from labeled examples. For instance, your phone's face unlock feature improves because it learns from multiple images of your face. Next, unsupervised learning. Imagine Boti finds a big box of mixed-up toys, cars, blocks, and stuffed animals. No one tells him what's what, but he starts grouping them based on how they look: cars with cars, blocks with blocks, and stuffed animals together. That's unsupervised learning. Machines find patterns without labels. Streaming services like Netflix use this. They don't label movies as your favorite, but they see patterns in what you watch and recommend similar ones. Finally, reinforcement learning. Ever played a video game and failed a level? You try again, avoid mistakes, and get better. That's reinforcement learning. Machines learn the same way, by getting rewards for good actions and penalties for mistakes. Imagine Boti is learning to play a maze game. Every time he finds the right path, he gets a point, reward. But if he hits a dead end, he loses a point, penalty. Over time, Boti figures out the best way to solve the maze. That's how machines learn, through trial, error, and a little bit of encouragement. But what fuels machine learning? Data. The more data a machine gets, the smarter it becomes. But just like bad teachers can give wrong lessons, bad data leads to bad decisions. For example, if Boti is only trained to recognize round fruits like apples and oranges, he might get confused when he sees a banana. That's why good, diverse data is so important. It helps machines handle all kinds of situations. Machine learning is already all around us. It's the reason your favorite streaming app knows what show to recommend next. It helps your phone unlock with just a glance using facial recognition. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri understand your voice. And every time you use these, you help machines learn even more. So, next time you see AI in action, remember, machines learn just like us. Sometimes with teachers, that is supervised learning. Sometimes by finding patterns, that is unsupervised learning. And sometimes by trial and error, which is reinforcement learning. And who knows? Maybe one day, you'll teach a machine something new. Stay curious and explore AI in simple, fun ways. Subscribe to Dumb Analytics and stay ahead of the future.